Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to properly close your Nissan Sentra's hood. First, always make sure the engine bay is completely clear of any tools, rags, or hands. This crucial step prevents potential damage and ensures your safety. Gently lower the hood until it's about 8 to 12 inches above the latch. This specific position is absolutely crucial for the next step in securing it. Now for the essential drop method. From that 8 to 12-inch height, simply release the hood and let its own weight do the work. This allows the primary latch to engage securely and correctly. It is very important to resist the urge to push down on the hood, as this can actually cause unsightly dents or even damage the delicate latching mechanism over time. After the drop, it's absolutely vital to confirm the hood is securely latched. Gently try to lift the front edge of the hood with a slight pull. It should only move up about 1/4 of an inch, indicating it's properly and safely closed. If it lifts more than that, it means the latch didn't fully engage, and you'll need to repeat the drop method carefully. For your final and most important safety check, visually inspect the hood's alignment with the surrounding body. Look for even gaps between the hood and the fenders on both sides, ensuring consistency. A properly closed hood will sit perfectly flush and even with the surrounding body panels. This confirms both security and proper alignment, ensuring a safe and worry-free drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.